Good day everyone. In this tutorial we are going to share how to use the best settings in Streamlabs for streaming. So it will be a very quick tutorial and we will go to the settings from the bottom left, and the very first thing here we will select is the output. I'm sure you have connected your account with the YouTube or Twitch, whatever you want to, and once you are connected, go to the output first. And from here, from simple to select advanced. All right, now here we need to use the encoder. Click on that. And if you're using NVIDIA, then you will find NVENC sort of. Select that. If you're using AMD, you will find AMD in the encoder. And if you do not find both, then select software X264, which is fine. All right. The rate control should be CBR, that is fine. Just don't make the changes right here. Just keep it CBR as it is. And the bitrate is 4500. If you have a very good internet, you can make it 6000, else keep it 4500. So if you have 40 Mbps plan, above 40 Mbps or 25 Mbps, keep 6000 from here. All right. That's it. So once you're done with this output, we will go to the audio section, and the sample rate should be 44 kilohertz. Channels should be stereo, and desktop audio. From here you can select your speaker or the headphone, whatever the headphone or speaker you're using. Select that. And under mic auxiliary device, select your microphone from here. And once you are done, we will go to the video section. Now, in the video section, if you have a good computer, the graphics are good, you can go for 1080, which is absolutely fine. And scaled should be like 120 720, which is absolutely fine. In downscaler, you can select ZOS sharpen scaling 32 samples, and the common FPS value for, you can mention 60 for smoother gameplay. And if you're making a tutorial, or if it's a low-end PC, then keep it 30. So that's it. And if you see any lag, then come to this video section and base canvas resolution, keep it 720p. So this will make a drastic change. If you have an average mediocre computer, go for 720p only, not the 1080. So you can try that, and do let me know in the comment section if you have more queries about Streamlabs settings, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.